Hey guys, this is just an introduction before the actual video on the installation. This is just an introduction to the software. Now, this software was written by Isaac Starkman. He was a student of Alexander Marr. This software utilizes topocentric primary and secondary directions, the most powerful techniques in astrology, period. You can look here in the horoscope of Jacqueline Kennedy. Look at the movement of the midheaven to a conjunction with the sun when she gets engaged to John Kennedy. I mean, again, I could show you another example with Philippe Costou. I always use this example. It's the movement of the midheaven to a conjunction with Saturn. You see, crystal clear directions. The most powerful directions in astrology are in this system. This is it. I hope you install the software and experiment with it. I hope it generates a greater interest in rectification and in working with these advanced techniques. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you, and take care. So what we need for this tutorial is an image of Windows XP, the software, and the general protection fault. I'll have all of these in the description of the video. So to begin, we need also the virtual machine, Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. I also have a link for that in the description. And so you just download it, install it. We'll click on New. I'll name my machine this. It's Windows XP 32-bit, which is the image. Memory size, virtual hard disk. Okay, space. Okay, now we go to settings, storage. Empty, click the disk item, choose virtual optical disk. I'm gonna choose our image and I'm gonna hit OK. Okay, now we're gonna hit start. Okay, the installation of Polaris is it's a bit tricky beyond the basic, because this general protection fault is a bit tricky. I mean, don't worry about that. I'll guide you through everything. I'll make it really simple. And if you have any questions, you can always post in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Unpartition space. Do a quick format. Now it said there, press any key to boot from CD. You do not want to press anything because you don't want to boot again. You just want to install the Windows. Okay, so the installation is pretty straightforward. You just hit yes on everything, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so now that we're in, go to devices, drag and drop, and we hit bidirectional. Then we go to devices again, insert guest addition CD image. Oops. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, so we're installing this guest additions just so it can allow us to drag and drop our items into the virtual machine. Okay, so now that it's done, we'll just reboot our Windows and we'll get back. Okay, now with WinRAR, we're just gonna extract these here. Okay, we're gonna delete the RAR files. Then drag and drop. General protection fault. Okay, so this needs to be in a file because we're gonna also extract it. I'm just gonna name it P for now. Okay, Polaris, go to setup. Continue. Okay, installation complete. We're not done yet. Go to Polaris again, copy Pol main. Set Control C to copy it. Go to C, Polaris, paste. Replace it, done. Okay, so with this version, I don't have the protection fault error because it worked. But for some of you might have it, and for those of you who don't, it's just done for you. You can just use the software right now. But for those who still have the error, you might want to watch so you could see how I resolve it. Okay, so go to the general protection fault, WinFlow, double click it, you get a bunch of files. Okay, I'm gonna go to folders. No, excuse me. You're gonna go to tools, folder options. You're gonna untick the hide extension for known file types. You're gonna untick that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go to this file, general protection fault. Okay, we're gonna search for autoexec.nt. We're gonna search for it, okay? Search all files and folders, autoexe. Okay, I made a mistake in the spelling. Okay, yeah, I made a mistake in the spelling. No big deal. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna right click it, open containing folder. Okay, we're gonna copy this line from the text. Gonna rename it with .txt so we can edit it. Paste the line, this is the first line, save, close. I mean, you don't have to rename it, you could just open with, right click, open, select, and just use the notepad, but whatever. Okay, now, what we need to do, hide.com, copy hide.com. Then again, we're gonna search for this file. Gonna search for it, open file containing folder, and we're gonna paste hide.com. That's it. Now we just restart, and you should have Polaris working without the general protection fault error. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and take care.